I will say being confident does not mean you are 100% confident every single day. No, it means you know your worth, you know your strength, and you know your weaknesses. That alone is very, very powerful because guess what? No one can use that against you. Once you accept and are shamelessly aware of your strength, your weaknesses, and your worth, no one can use it against you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I create self-love and self-care kind of videos for self-development. If you like and are into those kind of videos, then don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back. If you are already part of the tribe, I appreciate all of you and your time. As you can see by the title, today we're going to talk about how to make yourself happy. The first thing I want to say is that I respect you. I respect you for taking the time to take the steps that you felt necessary to make yourself happy. I also want to tell you that you do matter. And whatever you're experiencing in your life today, right now, you will be okay. I'll tell you one thing you can be happy for from the get-go, from the very beginning. You are alive. This leads me to gratitude. Gratitude is key to being happy. Focusing on what you do have, what you're blessed to have, because regardless of what you have, many people don't have it. So being alive, right? There's a lot of people who aren't here with us today who would love to be alive. Having access to the internet, that's one thing that you can be happy about and feel grateful to have access to the internet, that many people do not have that luxury. Don't focus on what you don't have. Focus on what you do have. The one thing that I've always talked about is creating a list of things that you're grateful for. Whenever you feel down, whenever you feel sad, you go ahead and you look at the things that makes you happy, that you feel grateful and you feel blessed and fortunate to have in your life. Having that reminder, constant reminder of things that you should be grateful for, it's very, very key. What do you do with the people and or things that you love? You take care of them, right? You take care of them, you nurture them, and you make sure not to hurt them in any way possible. The people you love, you make sure not to hurt their feelings, not to hurt them emotionally, physically, or mentally. The things that you love, you make sure not to tarnish them, right? Whether it's a bag, whether it's shoes, a watch, video games, your car, right? You make sure not to harm them, tarnish them, whatever, however you want to call it. But you just make sure that you take care of them, right? Well, this is the same thing you should do with yourself. Take care of yourself. Not only will this set an example to those around you of how you expect to be treated, but this will also make you happy because you are taking care of yourself. Making yourself happy isn't turning the page and then boom, you're happy. It's not how it works. A part of making yourself happy is digging deep and finding the roots of those experiences in your past that cause you pain today, that still one way or another haunt you and causes you painful memories. Backtracking and figuring out what is it that's causing this painful emotion can also help you make peace with it. Understanding that it happened, understanding that there's nothing we can do about what has already happened. This can also lead you to begin to realize that many, if not all, situations that happen in our lives teach us at least one thing. It can teach you strength, it can teach you faith and how to have hope. It can also teach you what you're capable of. The only way we know just how capable we are is by going through difficult times, and that is the reality of things. There is no way for you to know how truly strong you are, how capable you are of hitting rock bottom and working so hard on yourself and on your life to lift yourself back up. Also, many instances in our life can serve as a testimony. So, your experience can help others who are either currently going through what you experienced or has experienced it as well. When you share your story with others and you share how you have overcome that certain situation, helps others to build on their faith and help them realize that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. It's all in the way, in the perspective that you see it. In my opinion, in order for you to be happy in your life, you have to be true to yourself and understand and accept that not everyone is going to like you. And that is true. Like, think about it. Not everyone loves pizza. And I know a lot of people's gonna be like, but who doesn't love pizza? It's popular. A lot of people do love pizza, but not every single person on this planet likes pizza. And that's okay. Not everyone is going to understand you. Not everyone is going to have the same vision as you. And again, that's okay. I will tell you this though, the right people will see the beauty in you without you having to do absolutely anything. Making yourself happy has a lot, if not all, to do with self-esteem, which, as I've mentioned before, boils down to confidence. I have an entire video on confidence, on how to be confident. It's actually the first video that I uploaded on YouTube. I will link it somewhere on the screen for you. That way you can watch it after watching this video. I will say, being confident does not mean you are 100% confident every single day. No, it means you know your worth, you know your strength, and you know your weaknesses. That alone is very, very powerful, because guess what? No one can use that against you. Once you accept and are shamelessly aware of your strength, your weaknesses, and your worth, no one can use it against you. Don't worry about what others think of you. This is a big one. This topic, I also have a video on this topic alone. I will also link it on the screen for you so that you can watch at some point after watching this video, or however, whenever you want. It's a big one because sometimes it starts with our own family, with our own friends, those close to us. But I'm here to tell you to not worry about that. It is not your place or your job to change people's opinion of you. Your job is to simply be yourself, whatever it is that you want to be, whoever it is that you want to be. That is how you make yourself happy. Only you know yourself. Only you know yourself completely. The people that see your beauty without you having to change their opinion of you will see it. And believe me, they will love you just the way you are. Why? Because they see that you are being true to yourself, that you are simply being yourself. My biggest tip on this topic is that once someone has made an opinion of you, whatever you do or say will not change their mind. Why? Because they already have this perception of you that based on their opinions or their expectations, they feel that they're right. So whatever you do, it's not going to help. That's why it's not your job to change that. That's all for this video, guys. If you watched to the end, we're going to try something new. I want you to comment down below a white heart. Comment a white heart, that way I know that you watched to the very end. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the bell, that way you get notified the second I upload. So subscribe, like this video if you liked it. It helps me so much. Comment down below, let me know any thoughts, anything you would like to share with us, with me. I love to see your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.